Welcome back to Bike Blaze Pro, the channel where true motorcycle enthusiasts dive deep into the machines shaping the next generation of adventure riding. Today, we explore one of the most awaited mid-weight adventure motorcycles expected to redefine its segment, the 2026 Honda CRF 750L. Honda's new CRF edition sits right between lightweight dual sports and heavyweight adventure giants, offering the perfect balance of agility, power, and modern capability. Let's take a detailed look at why the CRF 750L is already attracting massive attention across the global ADV community. Honda's mid-weight vision. For years, Honda's adventure lineup had a noticeable gap. On one side stood the small yet capable CRF 300L, and on the other, the big and powerful CRF 1100L Africa Twin. Riders seeking a mid-weight option, something manageable yet powerful enough for serious off-road and touring, often moved toward competitors. Recognizing this demand, Honda began working on a machine that would bridge the gap, a motorcycle that combines the rugged CRF DNA with a more accessible engine size and weight. The result is the upcoming CRF 750L, a bike designed to dominate mid-weight adventure categories while staying true to Honda's reputation for reliability. Adventure-ready design language. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L carries an unmistakable rally-inspired stance. The tall front end, narrow midsection, and sleek rear tail reflect the aggressive styling seen in Honda's rally bikes. The bodywork blends durability with a lightweight feel, making the motorcycle easier to maneuver in trails, forests, and open gravel roads. Honda has likely engineered the seat to be comfortable for long-distance riding while maintaining the height and posture ideal for off-road standing positions. Practical elements such as a redesigned windscreen, improved body aerodynamics, and optional adventure accessories make the CRF 750L both functional and visually appealing. Engine and power delivery. At the heart of the 2026 CRF 750L lies a newly developed 750cc parallel twin engine crafted for smooth yet powerful performance. With an expected power output between 70 and 80 horsepower, the bike positions itself as a capable contender in its class. Honda's goal with this engine is not just raw speed, but controlled and predictable torque delivery. Low-end torque is essential for steep climbs, rough terrains, and slow-speed technical riding, and early expectations suggest the CRF 750L excels here. Its 6-speed gearbox is paired with a slipper clutch and optional quick-shifter, ensuring seamless gear transitions for both beginners and experienced adventure riders. Off-road handling and suspension. One of the biggest strengths of Honda's CRF motorcycles is their suspension, and the CRF 750L is no exception. Honda's collaboration with Showa likely brings fully adjustable long-travel suspension to the 2026 model. This ensures riders can fine-tune their setup whether they're gliding over smooth highways or tackling rocky mountain trails. The ground clearance is expected to be generous, ensuring the bike handles deep ruts, stones, and uneven surfaces without striking its underside. Lightweight spoked wheels and an off-road-focused geometry give the CRF 750L the agility needed for real adventure riding. Braking and control systems. Adventure riding demands strong and consistent braking performance. The CRF 750L is expected to feature dual front discs with off-road-friendly ABS that can be partially or fully disabled depending on the terrain. Honda understands that riders want full braking control in tough conditions, and flexibility in the ABS system provides just that. Rear ABS control helps improve traction while descending steep slopes, making the motorcycle safer and more reliable. Combined with excellent chassis balance, the braking system ensures stability across all conditions. Technology and modern features. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L embraces technology without losing the raw, adventurous spirit that riders appreciate. The motorcycle comes equipped with a modern full-color TFT display, smartphone connectivity, navigation support, and riding analytics. Honda includes rider assist systems such as traction control, ride modes, engine braking settings, and possibly switchable wheel control levels for off-road traction. The electronics are tuned to be intuitive and easy to operate, maintaining Honda's well-known simplicity. For long rides, features like cruise control and USB charging ports enhance rider comfort. Comfort and long-distance touring adventure riders often travel hundreds of kilometers in one stretch, and Honda has kept comfort a top priority. The seat is expected to be redesigned with a balance of firmness and long-ride cushioning. The improved windscreen, optimized aerodynamics, and ergonomic handlebar foot-peg seat triangle provide stability and reduce fatigue. Fuel tank capacity is expected to be generous enough for longer touring routes, making the CRF 750L a capable companion for multi-day trips. Price expectations and competition. Honda is expected to price the CRF 750L competitively, offering a premium feel without pushing into high-budget territory. This places the motorcycle directly against strong rivals like the Yamaha Tenere 700, KTM 790 Adventure, and Suzuki V-Strom 800. What gives the CRF 750L a unique edge is Honda's global service network, trusted reliability, and ease of maintenance, key factors for adventure riders traveling across remote regions. Why the CRF 750L matters. The arrival of the 2026 Honda CRF 750L is more than just another motorcycle launch. It's a strategic move that fills a long-awaited gap in the brand's portfolio. It offers power without intimidating new riders, off-road capability without excessive weight, and technology without unnecessary complexity. Honda has blended practicality, performance, and passion into a machine that could easily become the next favorite among adventure riders worldwide. Outro. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L combines rugged adventure DNA, mid-weight practicality, and Honda's iconic reliability into a single, beautifully engineered motorcycle. Stay tuned to Bike Blaze Pro for more detailed reviews, upcoming motorcycle launches, and everything related to the world of two-wheeled adventure. Ride safe, ride powerful, and keep exploring.